Drilling is also progressing elsewhere. In Suffolk, Keith Ollett is rolling in spring barley on a sunny afternoon using a 1984 Case 1294. A slightly more unusual model, the 1294 was the smallest four-cylinder 94 series tractor, with a 61 horsepower naturally aspirated version of the 3.6 litre engine and a distinctive exhaust note. The 1294 was only available with a 12-speed synchro mesh transmission, but could be specified in four-wheel drive. The hydraulic pump is mounted internally rather than at the front, and the linkage doesn't have an assister ram. A relatively light weight of just under 2.9 tons makes it ideal for top work like rolling.